Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of Junior 1. Our today's topic is writing number starting from 1 to 500. In your half yearly exam you have already learned 100 to 300, but this time we shall learn 300 to 500 including 100 to 300 also. So this is our first lecture of annual term exam. Okay, this is our first lecture to our annual term exam. In this term SW is very important for you, and based on your SW you will be given your CT marks, SBA marks. So please do your SW properly and submit it regularly. Okay, let us start our class. Before starting our class, please show a number 256. Here 6 is in ones place, 5 is in tens place, and 2 is in hundred place. So we read as 256. 256. Okay. So from this first one, 500. 500 means at first we write 5, then 100. That means ones place and tens place is absent. If ones place and tens place is absent, then that two places will be 0. That means in ones place it will be 0 and tens place it will be also 0. That means we read 500 as 500. If I ask you to write 400, then what will be? The 400 will be 4, and as ones place and tens place is 0, say it will be 400. If I ask you to write 300, then it will be 300. 200, it will be 200. Okay, I hope you understood how to write 500, 200, 300 etc. Then number 2, 318. So 300, at first we write 3, then 18, that means 1 8, and read as 318. Then our next number is 334. So 300, write 3 first, then 34, that means 3 4. Next 441. So write 4 first, then 41, that means 4 1, and read as 441. Next number is 499. I repeat, 499. So 400 means at first I write 4 first, then 99. So I write 99. My next number is 345. 345. 300 means, that means we write 3 first, then 45. So we write 45. Okay, read as 345. Number 7, 206. My dear student, notice 206, that means you have already learned this in your half yearly syllabus. That means 200 means 2 6, that means tens place is absent. For this reason tens place will be 0 and 6 is here. Read as 206. Then 8 number 377. 300 means write 3 first, then 77, that means I write 77 and read as 377. Okay. 9 number 422. 400 means 4 write first and then 22. So this is read as 422. And our 10 number, that means last number, is 466. 400 means write 4 first, then 66, and read as 466. 500, that means 500. 318, that means 318. 300 means 3, 34, 34. 400, 4 first, 41, so 41. 400, that means 4. 99, that means 99. 300, that means 3. 45 means 45. 206, that means 200 tens place 0, that means 206. 377, so write 377. 422, that means 422. 466, that means 466. Okay, our CW is done. Now we shall go to our SW section. Here there are 10 numbers are given. You have to do your SW in your assigned SW copy. My dear student, notice here 390, 484, 379, 319, 404, 348, 410, 428, 393, 367. Dear student, at first you pick up this in your SW copy. Then you have to write answer. That means first of all 390. 300 means 3 first. Then 90 means 9 zeros. For this reason the number will be 390. Like this you have to do your SW in your SW copy. And you must give the number SW1. SW1 and write the headings. That means write in numbers starting from 1 to 500, and you have to submit your SW every Sunday in our library 10 AM to 2 PM. My dear students, if you have any questions to understand, please phone me. My phone number is 0175 268 2211. I repeat 0175 268 2211. My messenger and Facebook ID is Ashis Biswas. Okay. I hope you have understood my today's lectures. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.